front with Kingston Time second. A length and a half back to Mayan Queen and Flat Out Smokin'. Racing past the half-mile pole, it's Ruby All in front by 3/4 of a length. Kingston Time is second by 2. Then it's Flat Out Smokin' and Mayan Queen. Into the far turn, Ruby All in front by a length and a half. On the outside, Kingston Time second. Then it's 2 lengths back to Flat Out Smokin' and Mayan Queen. Racing past the quarter pole, it's Ruby All still in front by a half length. Kingston Time moves up on the outside and now pokes ahead in front. Flat Out Smokin' moves to the outside in third. Down the stretch they come. It's Kingston Time in front by a head. On the inside, Ruby All battles on second. 70 yards to the wire. It's Kingston Time now asserting himself and drawing off. Ruby